Hey gang, Poppy here. Stay. Yeah, that's right. Stay home. The 19 Delta variant is reading its way through the population. The best scientific information is time caused it to mutate. All freaking. If what can I say? You're idiots. You don't wear a mask, you don't social distance, and you deserve to fucking die. Do it quick. Elect, make America smarter by taking your ass. You talk shit to people's very life, which you are endangering. So, Mr. Knights of the Ku Klux Klan, why don't you boogaloo your ass down to the little tattoo parlor, prove how proud no vax tattooed forehead, so the people who have more than half a brain can know to avoid you. Die before the next election. Make America smarter.